Hello and welcome again to South Coast Level Crossings, and I think we have the Romsey rocket service. This is a service from Salisbury to Romsey via Southampton Central, calling it Romsey as well. Again, of course, it starts from Romsey and calls it Romsey again. So if you just want to go around in a circle, you just get that train. If you want to go just in a circle randomly. But oh well, I think that is that train, and we're not going to be getting it. We're going to be filming it as it comes through, and it's going to be a 158 class train, and Tim shall wave when it approaches. And there we had 444005 with the 11:30 departure to London Waterloo. That one is running on time, and there we go. It's not the Romsey rocket then. As always, I'm wrong. But oh well, thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.